Hi, in this video I'm doing an unboxing of the DC21 4-channel dash camera from LAMTTO. This is a 360-degree all-round protection. It has 4 cameras, 3 cameras on the main dash cam and 1 camera at the back. So let's do the unboxing and see what it looks like. These are some protection for the dash cam, and I really like the packaging. Let's take everything out. Okay, so here we have the power cable with the cigarettes light charger adapter, which has a USB-A port as well. So this is just typically a Type-C cable that you can connect to the dash cam. Okay. The second accessory is the back cam. This is the back camera. So as you can see, this connects into the dash cam. This is the jack, and this is the camera that records or that shows you the back. So this side sticks on the window. This is adhesive, and then you can just mount it like this, facing backwards. So this is the back cam. Okay. Another accessory is this is what they call the hardwire kit. Many dash cams, they don't come with this kit. So basically what this does is you connect this to the fuse box of your car, which makes it it will record when the car is even off. So this is a 24/7 powering the dash cam. So this is basically if the car engine is on, and then it will power the dash cam. But if you hardwire this into your fuse box for your car, even if the car is off, it will continue recording on the dash cam. So many dash cams, they don't come with this kit. That's why this makes it special. And this is another adhesive for the back camera. And we also have some kits. This is the USB-C cable. This is another mounting adhesive. And then we have a tool that we can tack in the cable, and then we also have the manual over here. So last but not least, let's see what the dash cam looks like. So this is what the dash cam looks like, actually this way. So here we have a screen where you can monitor. This is a small screen where you can monitor whatever is recording, or you can choose the menu, the settings using this screen. Those are the 2 side cameras that can rotate, as you can see. So they can record inside of the car, sideways, or you can also turn them all the way to the front. The main camera is on the front over here, as you can see. This records or views the front of the car. And this is the adhesive where you stick this into the windshield on the upper part behind your inside rear view mirror. and then it's going to be like this. So you can rotate this whenever you want, and then this is also recording. So this is what it looks like. We have some buttons over here, the power button, the next or back power button. We have the menu, we have the enter, and we have the microphone over here. And this is a reset button over here. This hole is for resets if you want to reset. According to LAMTTO, this comes with a 128 GB SD card. Yep, it's over here. So let's see if it comes out. There we go. So it comes with 128 gigabytes. If you can see this, 128 gigabytes micro SD card. So this goes in here. So this is where the power button comes in, over here. And let me see where the rear, over here. So the rear camera plugs in over here. So the power, the back camera, and SD card over here. It also have, I think, I see a speaker buttons over here. Another amazing thing about this device is it has built-in transfer. Instead of just taking out the SD card to transfer the footage to your phone, you can just connect it to your phone using Wi-Fi. It has a 5G Wi-Fi bandwidth, so you can transfer the data or the footage without taking out the SD card, just directly from the device to your phone. And then it also has protection, where if you have an accident, or if the car shakes in somehow like an accident, it automatically locks the video, thinking that's an accident. So this is one good feature for this one. Otherwise, if the 128 GB is full, it's gonna record in a loop, which means it will delete the last footage and then record new ones. We will have another video where we install this on the car, inside the car, and see how it records. So for now, thank you for watching. LAMTTO 360 4-channel dashcam DC21.